Hi guys, all going on good? Alright, today we're gonna make some tun cornmeal, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna make some a Docta fish here. I have a Docta fish, I'm gonna make it with it. Okay, it's my cornmeal I'll be using. Some coconut milk, some mixed vegetables, black pepper, putting a little saltfish in it, guys. Also some all-purpose salt. I have here some carrot, okra, bell peppers, tomato, thyme, garlic, and of course some scotch bonnet pepper for my fish, and this is for my cornmeal. Okay, so I'm just gonna go right into it, guys. A tablespoon of butter. Nothing is wrong. You don't have to if you don't want to do. I'm using a cup and a half of fine refined cornmeal, not the coarse one. Definitely no. And I have a piece of crushed pumpkin here. I'm going to use in my fish. Okay. Okay, so I'm just melting some butter here in my skillet. So I'm going to add some fish seasoning here, guys. Some Cajun. Some black pepper. Some all-purpose. Toops of salt, and this is to season my fish. Okay, even though I don't eat fish, I like to season it, so I'm just going to go ahead and put my carrots in. Up to myself. Garlic. As I like to put my bell peppers when the fish starts cooking. Okay. This is what I do. The fish tea. I just mix it in water to strain it off because I don't like the noodles. I keep saying that. I really don't like it. And the noodle, you know the noodle is already salty, right? You don't have to put any more salt, plus I season the fish with a small amount. Okay, I'm just going to add my fish in. I'm also going to add my crushed pumpkin in because it's boiled already, right? more butter in. Guys, you want to smell in here already. Put in a few pimento seed. I'm home alone. I'm going to put my thyme that I wash in. And guys, you know that Docta fish is very raw, right? Some green scallion here. I'm doing my fish before I do my Tun Cornmeal. You know, fish don't take long to cook, right? I'm going to go ahead and add my bell peppers. Colorful that is looking. And of course, you know, this is not, put a tip more water, this is not the cover for it, okay, before you guys come for me. But that skillet don't have a, put in a piece more pepper in it. Wants to be spicy. You don't have to do if you don't want to, okay? Black pepper. That's it. What I say, guys, if you don't mind the pepper, just don't use it in your pot, okay? Or don't use it as generous as I do, because I like spice and I can tolerate spice. I'm not turning this down, just not turning the fish. I'm just going to leave it there so just cook, not on a high heat. Okay. Okay guys, I'm going to put the okra in. Guys, just do the soup it up and pour it over the fish, okay? Soup it up and pour it over like this. So is it only me, guys, or you all notice that Docta fish have a kind of distinct taste? Just to me, just tastes different from the rest of fish. Just let me know in the comments if you think so too. This tastes good already. Okay, guys, you can just clean up as you go. It's kitchen handling food, so it's gonna spill, splash, and do all of that. Okay. So guys, I'm going to get started on my Tun Cornmeal. What you guys call it? Tun Cornmeal or Tun Cornmeal? I like say Tun Cornmeal, you know. I really like say that. they say when the high color change when it a cook, you know, say it cook or almost done cook. So that me see I go on now and see it. Guys, I have here some tomato, onion, and scallion, thyme, and a piece of scotch. Not a lot, because remember the fish is already spicy. Alright, and I'm a cornmeal here. My coconut milk was in the freezer. I grated, used some the other day. I have enough and I store it in the fridge. Okay, and like I said, I'm going to use saltfish in mine. You don't have to, or you can if you want to. If you don't eat meat, otherwise eat saltfish or fish, and you can go ahead and do it. Just break it up. Nicely. Alright guys, so I'm going to put my seasoning. And I'm going to remove the fish from here. What I did, guys, I removed the fish from this side of the stove to put it over that side. Easier for me to handle it like that. I just had my saltfish in. In my coconut milk too. Okay, I'm going to use some water. Of course, wash the bag out. Alright, and I'm going to add my thyme. Salt, not even a teaspoonful, not even a teaspoon. Less than a teaspoon also of black pepper. And I'm adding a cup of mixed vegetable in. Putting a little all-purpose in just for added flavor. That's it, guys. So just wait on it to boil to put my cornmeal in. Okay. So, guys, the water is almost boiling. So. I used to hear it's dog food and it's poor man food. This ain't no dog food at all. My mother used to love to do this, even though I didn't really love it when I was growing up, to be honest. I only want rice and chicken. I want a Tun Cornmeal when I grow up starved. No, sure you. So that's something you can soak water, cornmeal. Trust me. That's why you eat this in a man. You full here for the whole day. You just drink water. Alright guys, this is ready. So I'm going to put my cornmeal in. Click at a time. Stir it up so it don't get lumpy. Better yet, I whisk it. Don't get lumpy, okay guys? Put in the rest. Keep whisking like so. We have a nice smooth texture, right? And you don't need any high fire for this, okay? Just turn the stove down low, okay? You guys might think, oh, it looks so soft. You know, as soon as it settles and cool down, it will come to the right consistency that you're looking for, okay? So guys, this is a good time now to put some butter in. I put 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to stir that in. Okay. It's forming nicely. See that? You want to get it right where it's supposed to be when it's all done. Mixing the butter inside it, okay? Just cover that and let it cook. Here it is, guys. Smooth it is. Stove, and then it will be all done. There it is, guys. The boat land. Time to eat. This is it. Turn cornmeal and my Docta fish with a little lettuce and tomato. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, let me know, give me a thumbs up. Remember to like, subscribe and share please. I appreciate it all.